A few simple ingredients turned into a amazing shrimp stir fry. It's one for the record books. Tune in. Sinett with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. Hey, this is Audrey with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Well, I am about to hook up some shrimp, honey. Here we go. I'm going to take these peppers, Brussels sprouts, and potatoes, season everything, and throw them in with some shrimp. I recently picked up a great new seasoning that was independently made. I'm going to take all of my ingredients, cut them all up, and throw them in this seasoning. It's going to be amazing. When I cut my Brussels sprouts in half, they cook faster, and I'm able to just throw them in with any and everything, and I really like that. Did I mention that I love Brussels sprouts? I put no limitations on them. Okay, and then you want to cut up some little small potatoes. Cut up these beautiful peppers to add to the mix. Did I mention how much I love putting these peppers in everything? Not just for the flavor, but the color. Okay, I got everything all cut up, all nice and cute. I'm going to toss everything in my seasoning. I'm going to use the chicken broth to steam it all, throw it all in together. Okay, so I'm sauteing these peppers in butter and fresh minced garlic. And then I'm going to add my seasoned shrimp. I season them and let them sit for a minute. Now I'm going to saute these, and I'm going to add my Brussels sprouts and potatoes. Oh my God, this turned out absolutely amazing. It was so pleasing to the eye. Presentation is everything, but my goodness, it was super tasty. Okay, so I sauteed everything and I mixed it all together, and we have this delicious shrimp stir fry. Shrimp, potatoes, peppers, garlic, deliciousness. Brussels sprouts is what set it off. Can I just pat myself on the back? Girl, you did a good job. Girl, you did a good job. This came out beautifully. I had to make me some little mini cornbread muffins because I'm still the Southern dinner diva, honey. I had to throw a little soft paw in there on them, and it was delicious. So, the finished product: Brussels sprouts, potatoes, shrimp, peppers, garlic, all sauteed together. And then I made some little honey cornbread muffins. They taste so good. They taste like cake. It's a shame. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.